Class 8 Practical Geometry Chapter 4 Exercise 4.1 Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Given the sum AB equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD equal to 4 centimeter, AD equal to 6 centimeter, AC equal to 7 centimeter. First we have to draw rough diagrams. Okay. A, B, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. AB given 4.5. BC given 5.5. CD given 4. AD given 6. AD given 6. AC equal to 7 centimeter. AC. AC given 7 centimeter. Here first 4 sides are given and diagonal also given. First we can draw the AC diagonal 7 centimeter. Okay. Then we can cut the arcs in the from the A and from the C. So we can point out D. At the same time we can mark a B also from A and from C. Okay. First we draw AC 7 centimeter. Seven centimeter. This is A and C. AC equal to 7 centimeter. Now for CD and AD. First we take CD. CD is 4 centimeter. Now we take 4 centimeter. Now AD is 6 centimeter. AD is 6 centimeter. From A we can draw another arc 6 centimeter. Now this is the point. This is the point AC upper D. So we can join this CD and DA. DA is 6 centimeter and CD is 4 centimeter. Now we can draw another arc from C 5.5. Now AB is 4.5. From A we can draw another arc. That point is B. That point is B. So we can join this AB and CB. This is AB is 4.5. 4.5 centimeter and BC is 5.5. 5.5 centimeter. First we after drawing these lines we have to mark this 5.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4.5. Okay. Now the construction is right with the steps. First we have draw AC line segment. Draw a line segment. AC equal to 7 centimeter. construction, draw and line segment AC equal to 7 centimeter, and from A we draw 6 centimeter. From A we draw 6 centimeter. From A draw an arc as radius 6 centimeter, that is AD. Okay, that is AD. And with CS center another arc we have to draw, and with CS center draw another arc and cut the point, that the point is okay, mark the point is D. And join CD and AD. Join CD and AD. This is the third point. Now fourth point. From A we draw an arc 4.5 centimeter. From A draw an arc as radius 4.5 centimeter, and with C draw another arc draw another arc 5.5 centimeter. Here 6 centimeter, here 4 centimeter. Draw another arc 4 centimeter. Okay, the arcs mark, we have to mark the point B. Mark the point. Mark the point B. Then draw the line AB and CB. AB and CB. Sixth point. Then AB CD is a required quadrilateral. Okay. First we draw a line segment AC 7 centimeter. Then from A 6 centimeter an arc, and from C 4 centimeter arc. A draw an arc radius 6 centimeter. AD with CS center draw another arc 4 centimeter. Then mark the point D. Mark the point D. Next, from AS center 4.5 centimeter. Then CS center 5.5 centimeter. So another arc we can draw this 5 point and mark the point B. Mark the point B. Then draw the line AB and CB. Then ABCD is a required quadrilateral. That is the diagram. Second sum, quadrilateral JUMP. JU given 3.5 centimeter, UM 4 centimeter, MP 5 centimeter, PG 4.5 centimeter, PU equal to 6.5 centimeter given. Now we have to draw the first rough diagram. Okay. JUMP. Here we can draw JUMP. JU given 3.5. UM 4. MP 5. PJ 4.5. PU 6.5. PU, that is PU, okay, 6.5. First we draw this diagonal 6.5 PU, okay. PU. From P we can draw 5 centimeter and from U we can draw 4 centimeter. First from P 5 centimeter. From U we have to draw 4 centimeter. Then we have to join. This is the point, mark the point, that is PU upper M. So mark the point M. PM is 5 centimeter. UM is 4 centimeter. Now from P we can draw 4.5 centimeter. 4.5. Then from U we have to mark J. From U 3.5 centimeter. That is the point G. We have to join this line. PJ is 4.5. JU is 3.5. First given the diagonal, so from the diagonal only we have marked these points, okay. So this is very easy to draw for the quadrilateral. Jump. Next sum. Third sum, parallelogram MORE. Given that OR equal to 6 centimeter, RE equal to 4.5 centimeter and EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. We know that. Now MORE. Here MO given? No. OR. OR is 6 centimeter. RE 4.5 centimeter. Then EO is, this is diagonal 7.5. Here MO not given means here opposite sides are equal. So 4.5 centimeter for MO also. This is parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Then RO equal to EM. RO equal to EM. Opposite sides are equal. So this is also 6 centimeter. First we have to draw this diagonal 7.5 centimeter EO. 7.5. 7.5 centimeter, that is EO. From E we can draw 4.5 centimeter. From E we can draw 4.5 centimeter. Okay. From E we can draw 4.5 centimeter. Here from O, M, here also 4.5 centimeter. We can draw this here. From O, here. Next 6 centimeter we have to take. From O we can draw this 6 centimeter. Now here from E also we can draw this 6 centimeter. Mark the point EO per R. So this is the point R. This is the point M. We can join these lines RO, MO. Here RE and ME. ME is 6 centimeter. MO is 4.5 centimeter. Opposite sides are 6. Then 4.5 centimeter. This is the construction also same, where we have written in the first sum. Same procedure we have to do second sum and third sum also. Fourth sum, rhombus BEST. Given this sum, first we draw the rough diagram. Rhombus means all the sides are equal. Parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Rhombus means all the sides are equal. BEST. BEST. BE is 4.5. 4.5. ET, this is ET, that is 6 centimeter. All the sides are equal means all the sides 4.5 centimeter. First we have to draw this diagonal ET 6 centimeter. ET is 6 centimeter. That is 6 centimeter. Now we take the 4.5 centimeter BE. .5. Here we can draw the arc 4.5. Now here also we can draw same. So from T also we can draw this same arc. Mark the point here. BEST. So now join the point lines BEST. Here construction are very easy because rhombus is 4 centimeter. All the sides are equal. With the same radius we can draw 4 arcs. Okay, we can draw 4 arcs with the help of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, that first draw the line segment 6 centimeter ET, then take the radius 4.5 centimeter as radius. From E cut the arc, from T cut the arc, then from E another arc here, and T cut the arc here. Then join BE, S, ES and ST and TB. Then this is the required rhombus. This is the construction. Okay.